Good morning, students. This is Rajkumar Yadav, and I am going to tell you today a new chapter, that is chapter number 12, area related to circle. This is very important chapter for you, and you know that if there is a circle, right? So it is the introduction part of this chapter. You have been given a radius of that circle. Then what is the area? First of all, what is the area of that? Area is pi r square. You know that. And the second one is, what is the perimeter? Perimeter, that is 2 pi r. Perimeter is also known as circumference. You can say that circumference or perimeter. Perimeter is always in the outer part, the length of whole outer part, that is perimeter. You know about that. So it is the perimeter or circumference that is given by like that. You always know what is the diameter. It is twice of radius. You every time you know that. This was the circle, right? Now the second one. What is the second one? Is that area of sector, right? Area of sector. And what is sector? First of all, you have to draw this figure, and then you can have this, right? This will be one radius and the other one, and this is making an angle theta by this r. So O is the center AB. This part is known as sector. So what is this sector? This will be the minor sector. If you can see there, this will be the minor sector. So what is the formula for that? Area of sector is equals to pi r square theta upon 360. Right? Theta is the angle made by that r on the center. Right? In the second one thing, we should know the length of an arc. Length of an arc. What is that arc? This is. If you put there the point C, so that arc ACD. It is real like that. ACD. So what is the length? 2 pi r theta upon 360. Right. So guys, this is the area of sector. Now we can move for another different formula, that is area of segment, right? Area of segment is what? First of all, you have to draw this figure. There is a sector, you know that. But if we join this AB and draw a chord, then the part between this chord and the arc, that is called segment. And it is the small part, so it is called minor segment. And we have to tell you that what is the area? Area of minor segment, right? So that is given by area of sector, right, minus area of sector minus, you can see there, area of sector minus area of triangle, right? Area of sector minus area of triangle. Anytime you have to find out any shaded region in the figure, in the circle, you have to see that which part is to be subtracted or which part is to be added, right? That, so this is called by me as a magic equation, because if we need the this part, the area of this part, then we have to take area of sector minus area of this triangle. Right? Now, the question arises, yes, okay, it is okay that area of sector is given there. We have, have the formula like there, area of sector, right? We have there. But what is the formula for area of triangle? It can be in different ways. If you have triangle is like 60 degree, means these two sides are also equal. So it becomes equal angle, that will be 60-60. So it becomes equilateral triangle. So you know that the area of this triangle will be given by root 3 by 4 pi root 3 by 4 side whole square. You know that this is the area of equilateral triangle. But in case of, if we have been given there 90 degree, if it is 90 degree, then what happens? It means we have to find the area. This is R. You know that the radius are there, so you can find out the area of triangle by half into base into height. And here we can see that what is the base and what is the height. Both will be the, since these are at right angle, so we can take as a base and it is as a perpendicular, right? So guys, these are the formulas for this chapter, area related to circle. Also you can be asked for perimeters of different figures, like say example for that, if you have been given that you have to find out the perimeter of this sector, right? You can see there the perimeter of this sector. So what will be the perimeter of this sector? That will be, you have to make a magic equation that gives you the answer, right? What is that magic equation? If you require the perimeter of this sector perimeter, then it can be r plus r. You can see there it is clearly seen in the figure, right? That is r plus r and then r. Arc is ACD. This is called the perimeter. Now you can say that this is r plus r, right? That is 2r. Now arc of ACD is given by that. You can put there. So this magic equation will give you the perimeter of an arc. This magic equation will give you the area of minor segment, right? If you need the area of major segment, like the upper portion, so you should subtract the new magic equation. That will be, you have to subtract from the area of circle. What should be subtracted? The area of the minor segment. Then the remaining part will come. We will discuss it in the questions also. So guys, all the best for today. Thank you.